Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tony Hill. This is Making Sense of Credit, Making Sense of Making Money Online. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, and YouTuber. Hey, welcome. Hey, real quick, I wanted to do this video. A couple of subscribers reached out to me and about me doing a video on, look, they're going through a divorce. And I know that's a tough subject, man. I don't want to put that on anyone. I've been divorced and I understand. And sometimes this could be a tough time. Hey, before I dive right in, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Smash the like button. Hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Make a comment if you like. And most of all, share this with your friends and family if you think it's something they can use. Hey, real quick. Look, um, first of all, it all depends on where you are in your divorce. This is why you're going through divorce, how to protect your credit during and after divorce. So look, uh, it depends on if you're on the good end or the bad end. Look, if you are in an extreme case where you have an ex-spouse who've become vindictive and could possibly open accounts in your name, then the first thing you want to do is freeze your accounts ASAP. Freeze your accounts, and look. The cool thing about that, you keep your accounts frozen until and only unfreeze them when you apply for credit, right? So that's the first thing I would tell you to do. But hopefully you're on the good end of things where you're in an amicable relationship. You're sitting down, you're talking about it calmly. Let me just give you a couple things you want to make sure you're aware of. Number one, look, if you're the spouse to have the good credit and you have, you're an authorized user on your spouse's credit, I know at some point you're going to take that off, but you may want to not do it until, say, for instance, if you are amicable, you leave it on there until your spouse or partner, finds a place of their own, right? Um, that's something you may want to do. But look, if you in any there's any question that spouse could possibly run something up on your credit, then I would certainly be aware of that. Another thing you can do too, you can put a limit on what that person that you authorize, your spouse or partner, how much they can use. Call a lender and make sure you put that protection on there for you. If you think it's even a small possibility, if you're willing to leave the authorization on there until they find another place or until they apply for other credit, that then they'll be able to stand on their own. So that's one way of doing things. Also, too, look, I mean, if you like, let's say if you have a personal loan and you're trying to figure out who pays what, the thing about it, the person with the great credit, I would make sure and say, hey, I will make the payments, you pay me, because I wouldn't chance it that you're thinking a payment coming through, and as you know, payment history is the biggest factor on anybody's credit. A missed payment can cost you 52, close to 100 points. I haven't seen 100, but 50 to 90 points. So make sure you're aware of that and you stay in control of that. And also, look, the person with the not so great credit, I would be very amicable to the person who's an authorized user. Use their information until you get on and find a place. You may even need their credit to get a job. You may even need their credit for insurance, whatever the case may be, temporarily until you get your own. And I would really be trying to repair my credit and get it squared away. And of course, if you look down the links below this description of this video, I have one-on-one consulting. I have, credit repair letters, 611 credit repair letters for $1, credit guides, not to sell you anything, but I would get going on those. I would get going on your credit right away if that's the case, and you're going to lose that authorized user. Also, too, what you want to do if you have, first of all, hopefully you don't have anything joint, but if you do have some stuff that's joint, look, I would work on paying those accounts off. Look, I know it's going to hurt you. I know it's going to hurt your credit. especially, a loan, not so much as revolving, because revolving, that's the best credit you can have. But, try to pay them off. Your scores are going to go down a little bit, but they'll come back up. And then actually, one credit hack for your scores to come back up even quicker is to get another credit card or something to replace it. So, your scores will come back even quicker. And look, also, you see a lot of times when, people are going through divorce, the scores uh, fluctuate quite a bit, 50 to 100 points. But typically that's because of payments missed. So both of you, I would be very mindful that maybe both of you guys got great credit. Wonderful. So you definitely want to protect that. Try to be as amicable as possible, and not lose your good credit or your great credit that you've established so far. Um, and also another thing that you want to you look, if you got a vindictive spouse and someone that could possibly try to open something up in your name, make sure you pull in your credit reports. Right now, during this whole coronavirus thing, you can go to annualcreditreport.com and get a weekly report from all three credit bureaus. So I would make sure you do that. So look, this is a real quick video. I just wanted to throw that out there to you. If you're going through this time and you're gonna have an ex spouse or ex partner, make sure you safeguard and protect yourself, um, and most of all, be safe. And look, hopefully you can do it amicably. Um, be safe. Stay 6 feet back. Wear a mask when you go out. Look, Tony Hill, making sense of credit, making sense of making money online. Until next time, guys. Peace.